it is currently 3:11 on November 23rd. Today is the Chicago Christmas parade. Me and my family is going because it's like our annual thing. True Religion said I got on these Jordans today. These kind, and I got my Coach bag. I actually ended up putting some charms on here. Just 2 charms that I already had. This pink one with an A on it, and then this bracelet my sister gave me. I think I'm gonna change into my fluffy boots to go because it gets cold. But y'all see the idea that I was going with the shoes. But we finally found a park. It took us almost 30 minutes just to find a park. It's currently like 5 o'clock, so we trying to hurry up and get to the parade. We are currently waiting for it to start. We still have a little while. So it's currently Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. I hope y'all are enjoying y'all time with y'all family, or by the time y'all see this vlog, enjoy the time with y'all family. Right now I'm on the way into the store because my sister requested that I make these Oreo cookies, and they're not even my Oreo cookies, they are my friends. She was nice enough, you know, to let me use a recipe, and they fire. So I'm finna go get the stuff that I need to make them, and then I'm gonna be on the way to my granny's house because I'm actually in charge of the macaroni this year. And I gotta go to the liquor store because I gotta get some XXL. I'm gonna get some XXL and stuff to take shots with. This fat ass coat, y'all see the snow? Working with. I know that there's so much more, and I will to my cousin, Mimi, bro. Right. Get her up. Get this video to 1K views, bro. Period. Yeah. Get this video up to 100,000. We'll give you $1. Like and subscribe. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Of course. And we go to Coney Chris. We got that big done.
Get in, loser. We're going shopping. Is the heart of a woman. I'm not Mexican, bitch. I'm Dominican. No, you can't do lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no big kill my vibe.
my nails done, filled in. I'm not getting nothing crazy. I'm just getting white. I didn't think y'all cared to see that process because it's just going to be white. So I'm going to just come back with the finished nails. I didn't even bring my camera, so I'm going to just come back with finished nails. So here are my nails. This is what they look like. It's just plain pink with a snowflake. Keep on trying to, let me show you guys like that. They're super cute and very simple. I was going to do white with a red bow, but I wasn't able to because I didn't want to start all the way over with my nails. But it is the next day, y'all. Today is my hair appointment. Let me show y'all what I'm getting installed today. This is a quick install, and I got my bonnet on because I have my mama braid my hair for my appointments and stuff. But I'm just getting this red, or is this burgundy? No, it's red, y'all. It's literally red. I don't know why it's coming up burgundy-ish, but it's red as hell. I'm getting this red wig installed, getting some heavy layers, and maybe some curls. I'm gonna see. Well, y'all gonna see really. I'm gonna show y'all the process and all that. This is from TikTok shop, a store called Uni Hair, I believe. I'll put that information right here. If y'all are interested, of course, you can always shop using my showcase on TikTok, or you can just buy it on your own time. It don't matter.
Check it out. Hit you with no delaying, so what you saying, yo? Silly with my 9 milli with the dilly, yo. When I be on the mic, guess I do my duty, yo. While up in the club like we while in the studio. You don't wanna violate, nigga, really and truly, yo. My main thug, nigga named Julio, he moody, yo. Type of nigga that'll slap you with the tulio. Bitch, nigga scared to death, act fruity, yo. Fuck that, look at shorty, she a little cutie, yo. The way she shake it make me wanna get all in the booty, yo. Top mistress in the banging bitches and videos. While I'm with my freak like we up in the freak shows. Hit you with the shit, make you feel it all in your toes. Hot shit, got all you niggas in wet clothes. Style out my metaphors when I formulate my flows. If you don't know, you fucking with lyrical playing pros like that. You really wanna party with me? Let me see just what you got for me. Put all your hands where my eyes can see. Straight buck wildin' in the place to be.
Yeah, this is fast. All done. Oh, I'm over here. Yeah. I'm like on my mouth open. And that's period, y'all. I'm feeling myself.
Don't call it off.
Tell the camera how you feel about my hair. What you think?
Look, red right there.
I cannot believe that my hair is red right now, for real. Like, I'm serious.
There we go.
No, a little table.
I need you! I like you better with the bangs. The bangs in his head.
Where Lucky Bangs at? Hi, Lucky.
He got a whole head of hair.
Let me tell you. Hello, Ellie.
Come here, girl.
Ooh. What is it? It's tied up. Untie it. This is my hair. I can't untie this knot.
No, you don't.
Oh, yes, I can. What could it be? Oh, Lord. Oh, man.
He
Got a little money.
got me right.
This is ghetto.
Girl.
You know I be needing this. Look at these. Okay. My hands are dry. Thank you. One thing I'm gonna need for sure. Perfect. I can't lie. Why is our gift almost identical? Excited. My turn. Oh, this is cute.
I think Loki should get the bob bag, Genoa.
I was like, oh, just ran out of this shit on. Bobby does.
Loki, Genoa, I think Loki should get the bob bag.
Get the bob. The bob?
Yeah, it made him look like a man.
He don't need no damn bob. Perfect. She got money. She got money. Yeah, I have money today. Look, cause I ain't got no damn money for that. I had some. Bro. It was cute. What is it? Hold on, it's something I don't ever.
What is that?
Yes. I don't have one of these.
I saw it. I was like,
Yes, she does. She's flying.
Oh wow. I think you can buy Christmas trees. This is
I
beautiful.
wanted that one. Which one you want?
That one in the middle or this one?
Ooh, I want the. Oh, do you see that one?
Yeah.
It's the blue one. And
This got meat on it. Oh, that's a family one.
wait, you're a grand. So you're the one who stole my gift.
Yeah, I am. Okay, hold on.
What is it called?
This was Santa's workshop. You want to see in here?
Uh-huh.
My favorite.
You want to see my favorite?
Sure.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
You gonna take your do-rag off?
Your do-rag.
OMG.
Let's see your mug email. Let's see it. You gotta put the pinky up, baby.
Naya vlogging today. It's Christmas. And let me see, hold on. Here go Lena. She just opened up her stocking. Here go Mom. I'm gonna open up my stocking. Y'all can see what I get.
don't do her. That's not
Socks. Uh-oh. A candle. I love gifts. A hairband thing. I love these when I got weave, not real hair. Uh-oh. Black girl.
I got a. You all in the camera anyway. Got some socks.
I'ma let you take the wheel tonight. We know what we doing wrong, but girl, it feels so right.
Currently on the way to Sephora, y'all. I also gotta go to. Well, I also wanted to go to Bath and Body Works and Target. True. Could have avoided. Yeah. I did go to Sephora and I also am at Bath and Body Works. Here are my little items. Last stop is Target.
Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Split without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga called us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is.
Up in your mouth, you speak good to me. I ain't built like him. Fucking with a G. Just cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you, I don't. You got some high hopes. High hopes, baby. For me crazy, and I'll tell you about me.
I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all.
Good morning, y'all. So my lashes is finally done. My sister just finished. It's been such a huge collective vlog. We done gone from November all the way to January. So I'm finna end this out, y'all. I hope y'all did enjoy this vlog. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.